Hi, this is Brian Bachland with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we'll be doing a quick video walkthrough of the 2019 19-foot Montauk by Boston Whaler. This is a brand new redesigned model for this year. White hull sides, black rub rail, have the full height railings on the port and starboard quarters. This boat is powered by a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard. So we'll step aboard and take a look. First off, we'll notice the very nicely integrated swim platform with telescoping boarding ladder. Very spacious and open cockpit in the back. Plenty of room to fish or move about. Looking at the transom, we're going to see 2 seats in the back for very comfortable seating. JL Audio marine speakers. Moving forward to the leaning post live well, you'll see this is very easily accessible. 15 gallons, so plenty of room for all your bait. And we do have the forward and aft facing backrest, so you can drive seated or standing up. Looking at the helm, plenty of room for in-dash electronics, Fusion stereo. Do have storage in the console. Tackle storage on the starboard side. 2 additional JL Audio speakers. Moving forward, we'll see the cooler seat and backrest with rod holders. This boat is optioned with the trolling motor panel and the bow cushions. Which underneath we have a full beam cooler and anchor storage in front of that. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, come on down and see this boat in person, or set up a demo and get on the water today. Thanks, see you on the water soon.